against the easy wrong.
against the easy wrong.
Save me from habits
Save me from habits
that harm.
that harm.
Teach me to work
Teach me to work
as hard
as hard
and to play
and to play
as fair
as fair
in thy sight alone,
in thy sight alone,
as if
as if
all the world saw.
all the world saw.
Forgive me
Forgive me
when I am unkind,
when I am unkind,
and help me
and help me
to forgive those
to forgive those
who are unkind to me.
who are unkind to me.
Keep me ready
Keep me ready
to help others
to help others
at some cost
at some cost
to myself,
to myself,
and give me chances
and give me chances
to do some good
to do some good
every day.
every day. Like a sun that follows every movement of the sun, so I turn towards you to follow you, my God. In simplicity, charity I follow. In simplicity, charity I follow. Like a sunflower that follows every movement of the sun, so I turn towards you to follow you, my God. In simplicity, honesty I follow. In simplicity, honesty I follow. Like a sunflower that follows every movement of the sun, so I turn towards you to follow you, my God. In simplicity, reality I follow. In simplicity, reality I follow. Like a sunflower that follows every movement of the sun, so I turn towards you to follow you, my God. So I turn towards you to follow you, my God. So I turn towards you to follow you, my God.
Screens may glow, but minds grow tired. In silence, profound peace can be inspired.
Unplug the screen, let stillness talk. Find yourself on a mindful walk.
With these brilliant lines, we the students of class 9th B wish you all a pleasant morning.
Today, I, Pranjal,
And I, Adarsh,
welcome you all to this enlightening and awakening morning assembly on the topic Digital Detox, Disconnect to Reconnect.
in this ever-changing world, screens have made their way into our lives with lightning speed. From checking your notifications first thing in the morning to scrolling mindlessly before bed, screens have become a necessity. This has led to a new concept known as digital detox. Now, Pranjal, what exactly is digital detox?
Digital detox refers to a phenomenon where one deliberately removes the frequent usage of screens in order to rejuvenate one's soul and disconnect to reconnect. Or in simpler words, digital detox is changing your daily schedule in order to replace mindless scrolling with more productive tasks. This helps us to gain more consciousness and connection with the environment and people around us.
Now, to educate you all more on this topic and to clarify all your doubts, I now invite Gauri to deliver a speech.
From an empty cup, when your mind is cluttered with noise, distractions, and endless scrolling, you lose the connections to yourself. A digital detox is not disconnection from the world, it's reconnection with your own soul. Good morning to one and all present over here. Today, I, Gauri Singh, is going to tell you about digital detoxification. In our fast-paced digital age, taking a break from screens and gadgets, known as a digital detox, has become increasingly important. As young individuals, understanding the significance of stepping away from the technology is crucial for overall well-being. Firstly, constant exposure to screens can have negative effects on our physical health. Prolonged screen time may lead to eye strain, disrupted sleep patterns, and a sedentary lifestyle. Engaging in activities away from screens lifestyle. By finding a balance between screen time and screen activities, we can promote physical and mental well-being, enhance real-world connections, and cultivate a more fulfilling and meaningful life. And I would like to say that the digital detox will remind you of the important things in your life you have been sacrificing to feed your addiction. So disconnect to reconnect with life, with people, and with yourself. Thank you and have a nice day.
I'm Shrishti. I'm Simran. We are going to recite a poem on our topic digital detoxification. In the glow of screens, we lose our way, chasing shadows night and day. Pixels dance our mind and mind. In this digital web, our hearts resign. Whiskers of the world grow faint in the scroll we paint. Life's not leaves, dreams unseen, tapped within this glowing screen. But trust your soul and hear the call to rise above, to stand tall. Unplug the noise, seek the truth. Find the path that's meant for you. In the quiet charity gleams beyond the life and fleeting dreams. Breathe the air, feel the earth, rediscover your own words. Step away, reclaim the day. Success will come in your own way. Meet me there where mountains step. Sometimes we find our way to the top. Thank you and have a nice day.
With Zaim and Siddhant are here to present the melodious song.
To attend our We were all excited. We reached Mohan Sabhagar, the event venue, quite early, and it was huge. Honestly, way bigger than we expected. Just stepping inside made the moment feel even more special. The felicitation ceremony was calm and dignified. Everyone sat quietly. Names were called one by one, and we walked up to the stage to receive our certificates. But you know what made us feel even more prouder? We learned that TPSCI had the highest number of qualified students from the region. That truly felt like an achievement to celebrate. After the event, our stomachs were growling. So we headed straight to a nearby restaurant. And it wasn't your tropical chole bhature with dosa affair. The menu had everything from noodles and paneer, roti to veg biryani and more. Everyone ordered their favorites and it turned into a mini feast. On the way back, we stopped at the Riva City Tunnel for some group photos. After that, the vibe completely shifted. The car transformed into full-on Bollywood mood. We played banger songs and sang it as if we were in our own concert. That part of the journey was just pure and unfiltered fun. The student who represented TPSCI were Akshita Pandey, class 4th B, Abhigyan Tiwari, class 5th B, Pratyusha Vyasi, class 5th B, Abhay Pandey, class 8th A, Arush Srivastav, class 9th B, Arnab Dubey, class 9th B, Satyam Anand, class 12th B. We are truly grateful to Anand sir for guiding us throughout and making the entire trip smooth and memorable. And in the end, we would especially like to thank our beloved principal sir who made it all possible. He brought us together for this journey and stayed in touch with us from the very beginning, from 5 in the morning until we safely reached the home. The sir was always present with us in spirit, checking in, supporting us and cheering us on. His care and encouragement made us feel prepared and confident throughout the day. Thank you so much, sir, for your constant motivation and unwavering support. Thank you.
Thank you, children. Disconnect to reconnect. I hope you must have got the message by class 9 to B children that they wanted to give us through this assembly. We have technology all around us. We have computers, we have internet, we have mobile. Through mobile we are connected to Facebook, we are connected to WhatsApp. In WhatsApp also we have so many different types of message sharing, we have status sharing. You are into Snapchats, you have ChatGPT, Grok, Seek, so many things. There's no dearth of information around us. Whatever you want to seek, you get it. Now what is needed is, you need to have a plan for yourself. You should not be like a paper blown in the air. Depending on the force of the air. Wherever the air wants to blow the paper, it can blow it. You need to turn yourself into a boat with a rudder. You need to turn yourself into an aeroplane so that you can have your own direction. Even if the wind is blowing in an opposite direction, you should know how to fly through that air. And that you can do only when you have control over yourselves. I'm so happy to see majority of you standing properly. You're able to stand in the assembly the way you should stand. But it's very unfortunate to see few of you who still need that control. You cannot stand on your 2 feet properly, few of you. Keep moving your hands. Keep turning around to your friends. You cannot resist yourself from talking to each other in assemblies. The same thing you must be doing inside the classroom also. God has given you ears, but if you are not putting them to right use, to listen to what you are supposed to listen, then again you are not under control of your own self. God has given you eyes, but you are not seeing what you are supposed to see. That means you are not under your control. God has given us tongue to speak, and if we are not able to speak well, we talk ill of others. If we waste our time, our ear and tongue in mere gossips, then again we are wasting our time. I also feel sorry for the very young children whose, unfortunately, mothers give mobiles into their hands so that they come under control and they eat well. करते हैं ना घर में? छोटे-छोटे बच्चों को मोबाइल पकड़ा देते हैं. I really feel sorry for those little kids. That grooming has to stop. We have so many other things to put our attention into. Don't become screen kids. Watch these things. I never tell your parents not to allow you to use mobiles. But I always tell them, use it wisely. This is what I'm also telling you. Spend some time, but some time, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, not hours together. So congratulations to PSY winners who went from here all the way to Riva to collect their medals and certificates in the collectorate office. Dignitaries were there to felicitate them. And we are also thankful to all the children who took part, because of whom Delhi Public School Nikai got the Utkrisht Vidyalaya in the whole Riva division prize. That is maximum number of children who took part in PSY were from DPS Nikai. I hope this trend continues. Getting these certificates comes through the work that your teachers do. You should be grateful to them. It comes through your parents who support you. You should be grateful to them. We have so many new children who have joined us. May I ask you all to raise your hands, those of you who have joined us recently. All new students to please raise hands. New students who have joined us, raise your hands, children. Good. Put your arms down. Tomorrow we are going to have periodic tests, and many of you, those who have joined us from 21st of July, you all will be appearing tomorrow in your periodic tests. Only the ones who joined us a couple of days before may be exempted, but rest, all of you will be appearing. So I wish you all the best, and I would like to give a call to all the class teachers to look out for the hidden talent in the new students also, and try to bring them forth to expose their talents through these assemblies and through intra-class and inter-house competitions. Thank you.